Pre-order is easy. In-order is fine. But iterative post-order? This is the one that trips people up in interviews. Let me show you a trick that makes it the easiest of them all. Just 2 stacks and almost no thinking. Let's read the whole thing line by line. It's a single function that takes the tree's root. First, a quick safety check. If the tree is empty, there's nothing to visit, so we just return. Then we make our 2 stacks. Stack 1, S1, does the work. Stack 2, S2, just collects the answer. We get things going by pushing the root onto S1. Now the main loop. It keeps running as long as S1 still has a node left to process. Each time around, we pop a node off S1, but instead of printing it, we push it straight onto S2. Then we hand its children to S1. The left child first, if it exists. Then the right child. This order, left before right, is the whole secret, and you'll see why in a moment. And when S1 is empty, we pop everything off S2. That order is the post order. Now let's watch it run. First, push the root 4 onto stack 1. Now the loop begins. Pop 4 and instead of printing it, push it onto stack 2. Then push its children 2 and 6 onto stack 1. Pop again. Stacks are last in, first out, so 6 comes out before 2. Send 6 to stack 2 and push its children 5 and 7. Pop 7 and send it to stack 2. But 7 is a leaf, so both if checks, left and right, come back false, and nothing new gets pushed onto stack 1. Pop 5. Another leaf straight to stack 2. Back to 2. Pop it onto stack 2 and push its children 1 and 3. Pop 3. A leaf, so it goes to stack 2. Pop 1. Now stack 1 is empty, so the loop ends. Now stack 2 holds the answer, just in reverse. So we pop it from the top, one by one. 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 6, 4. That is the post order, and we never used recursion. But why does this actually work? We pushed left, then right. So stack 1 visited the nodes as root, right, left, a mirror of pre-order. And stack 2 reverses everything, flipping it into left, right, root. The root goes in first, so it comes out last. That's post order for free. The whole thing is about 10 lines of code. Every node is pushed and popped exactly twice, so it runs in O of n time and O of n space. If this finally made post order click, subscribe. I break down one of these every single week. And the best part? This trick isn't special to Java. The exact same logic works in C++, the same in C, and the same in Python.